Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is a Hazel, and today we are diving into how to recover deleted files from the Android phone internal storage or internal memory without any delay. Let's get started. First of all, you have to log into your Google Drive with your Gmail. So here I have already logged in. So I'll go to the drive, and then here you'll get all those files, and go to the files and select here, tap on the three dots and tap on download. So this will download the file and retrieve it to the album or your files. By using Droid Kit through desktop, you can also download your deleted files or recover your deleted files. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.